Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video, and today we're gonna learn how to make plastics. This is a very simple material, and knowing how to make it can save you a lot of time. And I'm gonna show you how to make it using only procedurals that you can find on Octane Blender, and you don't need to use any map at all. So you can do it using only the procedures. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is delete this material over here, and I'm gonna create another one, a new material. So here you go. Okay, so I'm gonna change the color to something like, I don't know, orange, maybe reddish. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so then let's import this procedural called, what is it? This one, Hango Slack. Again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, so um, okay, so to use that, actually we are gonna use it on the BAMP slot, but for now, just to see the effect, I'm gonna plug it on the albedo. So as you can see here, what this procedure does is simulate kind of a scratch on your surface. So let's control this scratch a little bit. So to do that, let's go to the density to see what happens. So density, as more density you have, more scratches you have. Okay. Um, The sprinkle adjusts actually the size of these scratches. So let's reduce it very much, something like that. Yeah, not bad. Um, let's see this sprinkle length here, what it does. Okay, so it controls the length actually of these scratches. So you can kind of like keep drawing the line around the surface. So yeah, very interesting. Okay, so let's apply a transform here and reduce the scale. So to something like 0 dot maybe 2. Yeah, yeah, something like that. Maybe a little bit less than that, 0 0.1. Yeah, maybe it's too much. No, let's take a look. If I reduce this sprinkle here, length, uh, let me see the density. Maybe it's too much. Yeah, too much. Maybe 2. Can use 2 and increase the sprinkle length here. It's, yeah, not bad. Okay, let's take a look the effect on the BAMP slot. So unplug it and plug it on the BAMP slot over here. So as you can see, the effect is too strong. So to reduce this effect, let's control the texture here. So let's put something like very black. Almost, almost 0. Yeah, something like this. So it needs to be very subtle. Okay, so otherwise you can maybe ruin your material. Okay, maybe we can increase a little bit more this effect. So let's increase the density to something like maybe 3. Yeah, not bad. Okay, I really like this effect. I think I don't need to adjust anything else for the scratches. So let's apply another procedure that's called noise procedure, very known procedure. And what you need to do is just press Shift A as to search and type noise. So noise texture will help us with the roughness over here. So to see the effect, let's plug it on the albedo so we can have a better control just to uh, try to see it before you use it on the right channel. Okay, so I actually I do this very often. This is something that I think it's, as we don't have like the shader ball over here to control the effect, this is the best way for now to do that. Okay, so let's take a look here. Okay, let's adjust the octaves here, maybe 7. We see the omega is the gamma, more strong. Maybe let's apply a transform here, and let's increase it to 2 maybe. Yeah, and now let's try it on the roughness. Yeah, here we go. So maybe you can increase the contrast as well, something like this. And as I said, it needs to be very subtle, so you can always apply a gradient map. So search for gradient text, this one here, and you can control even more the effect here. Okay, so something like this. You can give more contrast. Oops. Yeah, let's keep it white here and give a little bit more reflection to it. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, here we go. You can always adjust as you want. But this is a very simple setup that you can use like almost every day on your day to day. So I hope it helped you somehow, as always. And if you like, please subscribe to my channel and also leave your message. I will be glad to answer any questions you may have. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next video.